Hi guys, so we are going to be singing and playing the song Here Comes a Bluebird. So let's get started. We see we're using Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La. We're using 5 different notes on the scale today, so we're using the pentatonic scale. Ooh. Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La. 5 notes. Here's our rhythm. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and chant. Ta, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta. Let's try it again. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and chant. Ta, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta. And we see we have our half note right here. Ta says half. Nice job. Here it is on solfege. We hear do, so. It starts on so, and it ends on do. So, sol, la, so, mi, so, sol, la, so, mi, re, 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 do, mi, do. You might remember this song. We have used this song before, but this time it's just a little different. I would love for you to sing with me. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. So, sol, la, so, mi, so, sol, la, so, mi, re, 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 do, mi, do. Let's try it one more time. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. So, sol, la, so, mi, so, sol, la, so, mi, re, 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 do, mi, do. Now let's look at the rhythm for this whole song all together. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 half notes for ta-ahs this time. We're going to try to play it. We are going to get some caterpillars to play this instrument. So let's grab our trusty caterpillar. Here it is. It says, beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and chant. Ta, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta. All right, friends, I want you to try it. I will count the rhythm with you. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready with your caterpillars. Ta, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, 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 ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta. Nice work! If you want to do it again, you can. You can press pause and go back and try it one more time with your caterpillars. And here it is with our solfege. So, beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. So, sol, la, so, mi, so, sol, la, so, mi, re, 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 do, mi, do. So, la, so, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, 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 do, mi, do. All right, friends, I want you to take a turn with this. I will help you. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. So, la, so, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, 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 do, mi, do. So, la, so, mi, so, la, so, mi, If you want to do it again, you can go back. I'm going to move on. All right. Let's see which one says, "Here comes a bluebird." The rhythm is ta, ta-dee, ta, ta. I will play it one more time. It says, "Here comes a bluebird. Ta, ta-dee, ta, ta." Let's press pause and have a friend come up. Then, when the friend has chosen, you can press play and see what the answer is. All right, my friend has come up and decided which one is the answer. The answer is number 3. It says ta, ta-dee, ta, ta. Nice work. And here we are on our musical step. Here's do, re, mi, so, and la. There they are. Do today is green. It's letter F. That's do. Right here. Do is green. It says so, la, so, mi, so, la, so, mi. What came next? So, la, so, mi. So, la, so, mi. Do, mi, do. There it is. We can press pause and sing it one time together as a group. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. Nice work. Here's the song. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. Take a little friend and tap her on the shoulder. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. We are going to take all of our different bells, starting with green F for do, blue G, A, so, and la. And we're going to improvise. First, I will take a turn singing the song. Then my friends will get a turn. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. Take a little friend and tap him on the shoulder. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. All right, it's my friend's turn. They're going to take all 5 bells, put them on the table, and my friends will get a turn to improvise. Everybody gets a bell. I'm going to wait till everybody has a bell. Press pause until they do. All right. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, sing and play. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. Take a little friend and tap her on the shoulder. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. I'm going to repeat the song one more time. From here through the end, you can repeat this song so every friend gets a turn to improvise with the bells, starting at about 9 minutes and 13 seconds. Beat, beat, feel the beat. Ready, breathe, and sing. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. Take a little friend and tap her on the shoulder. Hey, diddle-dum-a, day, day, day. Nice job improvising, friends. All right. We are going to save this rhythmic ostinato for another time, so this song is all finished for today. Thank you.